friends, if you use the FundedNext broker for trading on the Forex market, then you can automate the trading process and get up to 70% profit per month using our bot. But it is only for MetaTrader 4. This is a scalper robot that trades every day. Shows the coolest results on the pound. But also, if it is configured correctly, it will trade in other currencies. You can buy the official version of the robot in the MQL5.com market. After the purchase, our programmers will help you properly configure the robot in order to make a profit from the first day of trading. The robot has been tested in real time for more than 6 months of trading. The results showed very good and stable. We leave a link to the site with the robot under the video.